Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to add funds to Cash App. So you got a Cash App account and you want to know how you can add funds to that. This video is for you, so let's get right into it. The first method is using the Cash App mobile app. So the first thing you want to do is open the Cash App app and sign into your account, and then tap the balance tab on the home screen, tap add cash, and then select the amount you want to add. And the next thing you're going to do is to choose your funding source. So that could be your debit card, your bank account, or your credit card. You can use that to add money. Once you're done with that, confirm the funding source and the amount one more time, and you're good to go. Now the second method is to do so on the Cash App website. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and log into your Cash App account on the website, then click on the balance tab, then click add cash, select the amount you want to add, and then you got to choose your funding source. So debit card, bank account, credit card, whatever. And of course, once you confirm the funding source and the amount, all's good. Now there are some requirements. The first of which, you got to ensure that your Cash App account is verified. You got to make sure it's verified, otherwise you won't be able to add funds. And the second thing is to ensure that you have a linked debit card, bank account, or credit card, because otherwise how's the money going to come in? So once you have those requirements out of the way, you're pretty much settled. So that's it for the video. Hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, comments, let me know what you thought, share the video with others, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. All right, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.